everybody. It's almost, I feel like I slept till noon, but I didn't sleep till noon. I slept, well, right now it is 15 to 1. I got up at about 15 till 10, and then I had to figure out how in the world I was going to upload my video so you guys could see it today. And it was slow and slower, and finally got it uploaded, finally got it out to you guys so you guys could see it. The feedback so far has been wonderful. You guys are the best viewers in the world. You guys are so positive and wonderful, and thank you for that, because you know what? I've had some people come over to my channel that are very judgmental, and they don't have a whole lot of nice things to say. I've even had to delete and block some things that were said on my channel. If you guys have been watching me for a long time, you guys know I always say this is a positive, uplifting channel. No negativity allowed over here. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We had a wonderful party last night. Wonderful people came. People that took time out of their Monday evening to spend it with us. It was so nice. And I cannot even stress enough how many times I laughed and we joked and we had such a good time. Now, somebody did post wanting to know what kind of game or games that we played last night to win prizes. So what we did was, one of my friends, what I did is yesterday, and I didn't put this in the video, I looked up words that you would say that would only pertain to Christmas. So words like merry, jolly, festive, Christmas tree, angel, Jesus, manger. Okay, you get the point, right? Snowflakes, you know, anything in regards to Christmas. And then I myself, or the other person that was helping me, his name is Danny. Danny, we would take turns basically describing the word without saying the word. So, you know, words like Mary, you know, you'd have to kind of get creative on how you would describe, and whoever would guess it would get a prize out of the basket of items that I showed you last night. I will tell you, the most liked item that I bought was the coffee mugs. So next year I might just buy all coffee mugs, because those were the ones everybody wanted. But everybody got a little something. I gave Danny a little extra something for helping me with the party. And we did have 2 people, because of a work situation, they could not come. That was totally understandable. Things happen. We were sad to see them not be with us, but at the same time, it happens. It happens. I slept in today. I got my video out. I've had a couple cups of coffee, and shh, don't tell, but I had a piece of pie. Shh. I know it's not exactly the most nutritious breakfast, but I made an exception today. We're going to have leftovers today, because there's a ton of food left, and this woman will heat it up, but I am not cooking. And my honey said to me, you know what? If you don't want to cook for the next couple of days, we'll just eat all that stuff that you made, and that's what we're going to do. I am going to call my father-in-law, see if he'd like to come over here and have lunch with us, because I have such an abundance. They ate a lot of food last night, but I made a lot of food. I think I mentioned in the video that come out today, the hot chocolate was a huge love. There was none left, like none. The jalapeno cheese ball, that was hit. That was hit and devoured. They loved that recipe. So these are the things you got to take in consideration when I do this next year. God willing, I'm able to do it next year. But anyways, yeah, so we had a lovely time, and it was so nice. But today, it's in the 30s here. It is so cold. I told my honey, I said, I'm going upstairs. I did put a little makeup on today. I don't even know if you can tell, just a little bit. I combed out my hair. I'm still styling in my mommy, what I call my mommy bun. But I'm actually wearing one of Ronnie's sweatshirts. I said, do you care if I steal one of your sweatshirts? Oh, no. So I'm all about being comfortable today. I do have a sink full of dishes from last night that I never got to. I was so exhausted. Do you guys know that I didn't even get my phone on the charger last night? I just literally hit the bed. I put my pajamas on. I hit the bed and I was gone. That's how exhausted I was. I don't even remember saying goodnight, honey. I don't remember anything. I didn't watch a movie or a TV show. Usually I browse things and watch it, you know, on my phone at night before I go to bed. I didn't even get it on the charger. So I think I woke up early this morning and realized I didn't put my phone on the charger, and I plugged it back up and then went right back to sleep. So that was that. I did have my video though. I did stay up last night downstairs here because I knew if I got into bed, I was a goner. But before I went to bed and I did the ending to the video, I had most of it already edited, and then I added that part, and then it was ready to be uploaded, but I didn't get that far with it. I tried to call my parents 3 times this week. Apparently, they must be having a really good time in Florida because I haven't been able to reach them. I've gotten a few texts, but that's it. I tried to call them today. I said, where are you guys at? Anyhow, I'm sure I'll be talking to them really soon. I'm going to get in here and wash these dishes and get on with my day. I'm getting kind of hungry. So some of those leftovers I'm going to be nibbling on here in a little bit. So I am heating up leftovers from last night to eat today. And I'm getting all the goodies out from last night. This is the pickles and the leftover meat. I just laid it on top when I put it in the refrigerator. I love these. That's my favorite. So I'm going to put this all out, and then I'm going to call my father-in-law. This is the leftover pasta salad. We had some veggies left. I just ate some pasta salad. And I'm going to get these hash browns out. I had a pan of hash browns, and that's all the meatballs I had left. And this is the dishes that I did. Pepperoni rolls are here. I'm going to get these out. I'll probably just put these on the table. And we'll get to eat. I'm hungry.
The crew shares how they captured views of a hidden world. Download episode 3. The crew shared 44 minutes.
You see this? It's called a pop-out.
As he presses a button, the dining booth moves with Jamie seated inside.
Hold on.
She wears a blasé look.
So it seems awfully dark, but we got the tree on. We've been watching the movie RV. My father-in-law just left. I had all those leftovers and was like, I'm going to call him and see if he wants to come over and eat with us. So he did. And then while he was here, my mom called, and I hadn't talked to her. I think I said something in this video about not being able to get a hold of her. Anyways, she called me, and we talked for a while. Probably a good, at least 45 minutes or so. Anyways, now I'm going to make myself a hot chocolate. Ron ran up to the office for a minute. He's going to come back down, and we're going to find something else to watch. Hey guys, I just wanted to close this vlog out and say goodnight. We watched a couple movies. We watched some Dateline. I had a piece of pecan pie for dessert tonight. I had a hot chocolate. I talked to my parents. Ronnie's cousin called. And yeah, I mean, just had a very chilled, relaxed day, which I needed. And I don't even know, did I show you guys my new Squishmallow? I have been saying I wanted a Squishmallow for like ever, I feel like. Anyways, my son sent me a Squishmallow for Christmas. And it is so cute and so soft. It makes me smile. Anyways, I got me a Squishmallow. I feel like I'm 5, but that's okay. You know, it's something that makes me happy. And that's all that mattered. So I got a Squishmallow. And it's so cute because I didn't know it. But when they have the little tag on them, and it's off now, but its name is Fifi. And I thought it was so cute, the Fifi little girl fox. Anyway, I thought it was really cute. I loved it. And you notice the pocket has a little gingerbread man on it. Anyways, I thought it was so cute. I love it, and it's going to stay here on my bed with me. I'm going to head to bed. I have no idea what time bingo is. I thought for sure that the magazine would have the time, but there's no time. So I have no idea what time they're supposed to come and pick us up. So I'll be getting up early and getting dressed. Ronnie said he thought it was 1, but I have no idea. But anyways, by the way, I have the sweatshirt on, but it's over my pajamas. It is really cold tonight. And I just said, I'm going to go put my jammies on and get into bed. Well, it's like a t-shirt pajamas, so I just put the sweatshirt back over it so I can keep warm. So anyhow, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. And I will be talking to you all tomorrow. You guys get to go bingo with me. But it was nice to just have a very chilled, relaxed day after all of the baking and the cooking and the planning and the cleaning, all of that kind of thing. And it's just really nice to just have a chill today. So thank you so much for watching, and I will be talking to you guys soon. Hopefully I do something with this hair other than this when you see me next time.